Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, maybe you are new to the channel and you've not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our gold. Let's see what gold will be giving us for the week. So once again, let's take a look at what market will be doing for the week. So last week, gold gave us a bearish move. We opened and closed bearish, right? This week that just finished, which is also last week, gold also opened and closed bearish. With what gold is doing right now, we are likely to have that bearish move. Above all, the overall movement on our gold is still to the upside. But what gold is doing is currently giving us a pullback. And this pullback is what's bearish. Now, let's take a look at our trend. You all know the rules of trading, which is know the trend. That is first, you know the trend. Second is trade with the trend. Now, what is our trend on gold? We can clearly say that this is an uptrend move. This is a full trend. We are in an uptrend move. So let's start from here for quick analysis. This is our high, right? Then gold eventually give us a pullback, which is an higher low. It eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high, which took out its previous high. Now here comes the higher low, which is our pullback. Gold eventually pushed up one more time to form a new higher high, and now a pullback was made, which is the higher low. Gold eventually pushed up one more time to form a new higher high. You can see that the new higher high took out this previous high, and now here is the pullback, which is an higher low. So gold is currently giving us an higher low. Is this higher low over? Definitely not. It's still giving us the higher low. This is one of the reasons why we said this week we should be anticipating for some sort of a pullback, which is an higher low. So once it gives us the higher low finish, then we can now anticipate for one more move upward on our gold, which should be giving us the bullish move. But for now, gold is still giving us a pullback, which is an higher low. So we should still expect the higher low to be out. Now let's roll down to our daily time frame, guys. This is it right here. So we can see this to be our first low, and this is our pullback level, which is lower high. Gold is currently dropping, and it is an equal low right here, equal lower low right here. So what do you expect gold to do? Of course, break below it, thereby forming a new lower low that took out this previous low. So this is what we are going to be expecting on gold. We should expect gold to give us one more drop to completely take out this previous low, thereby forming a new lower low for us. So guys, whatever you would want to do on your gold, you want to be going in, sell, right? Anticipate for a bearish move. That is exactly what you should be expecting on gold. Gold to give you one more sell that will completely take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. So whatever you want to be doing on gold, you're anticipating for a bearish move. Now let's go down to our forward time frame. What can you see market is doing right? What can you see the market right here? This is our current trend. You can also see that on this our current trend, we are in a downtrend move. Now guys, take a look at this movement. This is our first drop that gold did give us, which is a low. Then we had this pullback, which is a lower high. Gold was able to give us so much drop to form a new lower low. Now here comes the pullback, which is a lower high. Gold was able to give us so much drop to form a new lower low. And this is the pullback that formed a lower high, right? Gold came to form an equal low, then a pullback. Now it eventually gave us so much drop that formed a new lower low. You can see that this is a new lower low. So after this your lower low, what should you be expecting is? Of course, you should be expecting a pullback. After the pullback, another drop most likely to form a new lower low on gold. So before you go in for the sell on gold, wait for your pullback. After the pullback, then look for your sell setup and go in. So more sell, more bearish move is for what we are going to be expecting for the week on gold. So if you do not want to miss out on further updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.